Can you download someone's Instagram story on your gallery? Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to find out if it is possible to download someone's Instagram story to your phone's gallery. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new video uploads. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and once you make sure that you are logged into your account, you will just have to tap on the story. Now, once you open up the story, as you can see here, there is no active option to download the story, but what you are able to do is go ahead and pause it like this. And if you want to capture a moment, you can just go ahead and screenshot this like this, and it will be added to your phone's gallery. But if you try to go ahead and tap on the three lines, as you can see, there is no option to download. There's only option to report the story and mute this person. And if I try to check on other stories here, like this, there is the same option. Now, if there is any kind of wallpaper or something, like this one, you can just go ahead and long press on it so it does not show the profile name, and then just screenshot it. And I don't recommend you using the third-party applications or website because they can be harmful to your device, because you are not sure what kind of files will be downloaded to your device, which might also include the malwares. So be careful out there. And this is the only way as of now to download Instagram Story to your gallery. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.